2002, an Egyptian tomb site was discovered that included bowling-like artifacts in a narrow lane. And in the 1930s, an English team of archaeologists discovered the work was dangerous, but paid pretty well for the time, about 10 to 12 cents a game. With the invention of the semi-automatic pin setter, the expansion of bowling accelerated even faster. And even though pinboys were still required to operate the machines, the pins could now be set more quickly and more on spot, at least most of the time. And speaking of time, let us take a moment to look back, as we just so happen to have a pair of vintage semi-automatic pin setting machines here at the International Bowling Museum. They're Brunswick P10s that date to either 1942 or 1943, and they were certainly built to last, as these machines are still fully operational.
That's so nice the way they did this. Looks like really nice.
Now, let's get the movie rolling and find out what's next for bowling. The period of expansion of bowling continued at an even faster pace starting in the 1950s.
Junior, yeah, they're cute. Cute. The juniors there. Oh, so cute. Ah, you can play in there. Check it. What is on there? There are two. Go to another place. Very popular around the world. Future bowler stars. And you can touch those things again. Ooh. That's a silver. Everything else. There's silver. There's another one there. Yeah. Oh, you can touch screen here too. That's another silver? No, I don't know. This, wow, different kinds of equipment now. Yeah. The pocket. So how they make it? We can play in here. Look at this. Wow. Yep, we can play. Library. Nice. You wanna play? There's a game. Let Bruce play like that. He's playing. Yeah. Yeah, go. Come on. You need to wait. Okay. There. Yeah. You need to go up there. Okay. Yeah. Go.
That's 7.
But I got it, yeah. Uh-oh. Bruce, he's not used to being in the smaller area. Oh, poor namin ni Bruce, huh? Ang cute. Ayan, last na to. Ayan na. Yes. That's so cute. You ride it.
AT&T Stadium.
Okay, this is the AT&T Stadium. So this is up the, I think this is the side of our hotel. And there's the buffet, Asian buffet. I think that one, yeah. This is the AT&T. Another day, another stay. Ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa Dallas, Texas dahil sa work ni Bruce. Siyempre, nandito kami sa Drury Hotel. Ito yung favorite namin na hotel. At kahit saan kaming state pupunta, yan, nahanap namin ito. Yan, ngayon ito naman yung aming room. Yan, medyo maliit this time, pero okay na din. It will work. Ayan. Tapos, ito ang buhay ko pag nandito ako sa hotel. Ayan, nag-work pa rin ako sa aking YouTube. So, may mga grupo ko at may team. Ayan, lagi lang na nanonood. Ang dala ko lang kasi 4 na cellphone at isang laptop. So, medyo limited. So, pagka ganito, yan, medyo late ako sa pagsasubmit ng mga namin, ng mga videos. Pero okay na din. Hindi nga lang ako makagawa ng aking premiere. But that's okay. Pag-uwi ko na lang. Kaya minsan nagla-live na lang ako or, pero ngayon, busy kasi. So, muna ako. Mag-edit din ako kasi pag lumalabas kami ni Bruce, nagbi-video pa rin naman ako. Ayan. Kita nyo, kahit na nandito lang ako, busy pa rin. Yan po. Ayan. So, playing siya. At ito naman yung itsura ng labas ng aming hotel. So, medyo maingay kasi nasa freeway. Pero okay na din. At least, naririnig ko't busy. Ayan, diba? Kung gusto ko naman bumaba naman ako. Meron naman silang gym dito. May swimming pool. Ayan, kikita yung half ng swimming pool sa baba. So, half closed, half open. Ayan. O, diba? Ganda pa rin naman dito. I love it. Okay, so we have the hot dog again. Yeah. And then we have the vegetable today. Yeah. This Phoenix Airport Museum. So it's just this, okay. It's made by Toronto, Guillaume, whatever, Magenta. Oh, yeah. And of course that. Yan ko lang to pinuntahan. Sounds like Arizona. There's more there. Where's this one? Oh, I wanna see that. Oh wow. Oh, that's the one that like Liza. Okay. Just really hard to see, huh? I don't know how far. So it stands on the footsteps so you can listen. Maybe you can listen. There's a sounds. It's just a little bit dark. I will just take a video. This. Okay, up to here.